Are you tired of starting your weight loss journey and quitting after a few days? You feel motivated one day, and the next day, everything is gone. But what if I tell you, this time will be different? Welcome to day 1 of your 30 days weight loss challenge. No excuses, no shortcuts, just real results. Our day 1 routine: fix your mindset, what to do today, what to avoid. Food plan, daily exercise, sleep routine, mindset reset. Before we start, understand this. You don't need motivation every day. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. This is not a temporary diet. This is a lifestyle change. You didn't gain weight in one day, so don't expect to lose it overnight. But if you stay consistent for 30 days, you will see a difference. What to do today? Let's keep day 1 simple and powerful. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water. Your body needs hydration to burn fat properly. Walk at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps. No gym needed, just start moving your body. Do a 10-minute light workout. Simple stretching, jumping jacks, or basic exercises. Eat only 3 proper meals. No random snacking all day, keep it controlled. Remember, small actions create big results. What not to do? Avoid these mistakes from day 1. No junk food. No sugary drinks, cold drinks, packaged juice. No late night eating. Don't skip meals. This slows your metabolism. Control your habits, or your habits will control you. Food plan. Start your day the right way. Morning, empty stomach. Drink 1 glass of lukewarm water with lemon juice. It helps digestion, boosts metabolism, and detoxifies your body. Breakfast. Choose high protein plus fiber foods. 2 boiled eggs or omelet. 1 fruit, banana, apple, papaya, optional. 1 slice whole grain bread. Lunch, balanced meal. Keep it controlled and nutritious. 1 small portion of rice, or do whole wheat roti. Protein, chicken, fish, dal. Plenty of vegetables. Spinach, beans, carrots, broccoli. Add salad, cucumber, tomato, lemon. Dinner, light and clean. Eat before 8-9 p.m. Vegetable soup or sautéed vegetables. Salad plus small protein, egg, chicken, dal. Keep dinner light to support fat burning overnight. Snacks only if needed. Fruits, apple, guava, orange. A handful of nuts, almonds, peanuts, walnuts. Eat to nourish your body, not just to fill your stomach. Sleep routine. Sleep is very important for fat loss. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep tonight. And try this. Avoid using your phone at least 30 minutes before sleep. Better sleep, better fat burning. Day 1 is always the hardest. But starting is what separates winners from everyone else. You showed up today, and that's powerful. Now comment below, day 1 done. And don't forget, follow for day 2. Save this video to stay on track. Let's transform your body.